In a small town market where colors seemed to dance in the sunlight, a young woman named Amara stood quietly beside her grandmother's fabric stall. The stall was not large, but it was always filled with life. Rolls of fabric were stacked carefully, each one carrying a different story. Some were bright and bold, others soft and elegant, but all of them held the possibility of becoming something beautiful. Dresses, shirts, bags, head wraps, curtains, and even memories. Amara had grown up watching her grandmother run this stall. Every morning, the old woman would gently unfold the fabrics, smoothing them with her hands as though greeting old friends. She believed fabrics were not just materials. To her, they were culture, identity, and creativity woven together. One afternoon, while arranging colorful textiles, Amara asked a simple question. "Grandma, why do people care so much about fabric?" Her grandmother smiled, adjusting her glasses. "Because fabric is how people express themselves. The clothes we wear tell the world who we are, where we come from, and sometimes even where we are going." That day, Amara began to notice something she had never paid attention to before. Customers were not just buying fabric, they were choosing identity. A bride picked a delicate lace for her wedding dress. A businessman selected a smooth cotton blend for his suits. A young girl excitedly held a bright floral print, imagining the dress her mother would sew for her birthday. Fashion, Amara realized, begins with fabric. Across the world, fashion trends constantly change, but fabric remains the foundation. Designers from every country explore new textures, patterns, and materials to create styles that capture attention and inspire people. The most trending fabric fashion ideas often come from a combination of tradition, innovation, and cultural influence. One of the most popular fabrics in many countries today is cotton. Cotton has remained timeless because it is comfortable, breathable, and versatile. From casual shirts to elegant dresses, cotton works in almost every fashion style. In warm climates especially, people appreciate cotton for its ability to keep the body cool and relaxed. Designers have transformed cotton into modern fashion by experimenting with different prints and cuts. Oversized cotton shirts, flowing cotton dresses, and stylish cotton suits have become major fashion statements. Cotton also supports sustainable fashion, which is becoming increasingly important as people look for environmentally friendly clothing options. Another trending fabric that continues to dominate global fashion is silk. Silk has long been associated with luxury and elegance. Its smooth texture and natural shine make it perfect for formal clothing, evening gowns, scarves, and high-end fashion pieces. In many Asian countries, silk is deeply connected to tradition. For centuries, silk garments have been worn during celebrations, weddings, and important ceremonies. Today, modern designers combine traditional silk with contemporary styles, creating outfits that respect culture while embracing modern fashion. For example, silk dresses with minimalist cuts, silk blouses paired with modern trousers, and silk scarves styled in creative ways have become highly fashionable across the world. Denim is another fabric that never seems to stay out of style. Originally designed as durable workwear, denim has evolved into one of the most powerful fashion fabrics globally. From jeans and jackets to skirts, shirts, and even handbags, denim continues to reinvent itself every year. One reason denim remains trendy is its adaptability. Designers experiment with different washes, colors, and textures. Distressed denim, oversized denim jackets, patchwork denim designs, and even embroidered denim pieces have become fashion staples. Young people especially love denim because it represents freedom and individuality. A simple pair of jeans can be styled in countless ways, making denim one of the most flexible fabrics in modern fashion. In African fashion, Ankara fabric has gained enormous popularity, not only within the continent, but also internationally. Ankara is known for its vibrant patterns and bold colors. Each design tells a story, often inspired by culture, nature, or tradition. Today, Ankara fashion has expanded far beyond traditional clothing. Designers create Ankara suits, dresses, jumpsuits, handbags, shoes, and even accessories. The creativity surrounding Ankara has made it one of the most recognizable fabrics in global fashion. International fashion shows now frequently showcase Ankara-inspired designs. This demonstrates how cultural fabrics can influence worldwide trends while maintaining their unique identity. Linen is another fabric that has recently experienced a strong comeback in global fashion. Linen is made from natural fibers and is valued for its lightness and breathability. It is especially popular in summer fashion because it allows air to flow easily through the material. Many modern designers appreciate linen because it offers a relaxed yet sophisticated look. Linen suits, linen dresses, and loose linen shirts have become common in minimalist fashion styles. The beauty of linen lies in its simplicity. The natural texture gives clothing a calm and effortless elegance that appeals to people who prefer understated fashion. Velvet, on the other hand, represents the opposite side of the fashion spectrum. Velvet is rich, dramatic, and luxurious. It is often used in evening wear, formal jackets, and special occasion dresses. Recently, velvet has returned as a strong fashion trend. Designers are using velvet in creative ways, including velvet boots, velvet handbags, and velvet blazers. The deep colors and soft texture create a sense of elegance that attracts fashion lovers around the world.
Another important trend shaping fabric fashion today is sustainability. Many people are becoming more aware of the environmental impact of clothing production. As a result, eco-friendly fabrics are gaining attention. Organic cotton, bamboo fabric, recycled polyester, and plant-based textiles are now appearing in many modern collections. These fabrics reduce environmental harm while still allowing designers to create beautiful and stylish clothing. Sustainable fashion is not just about protecting nature, it also encourages people to value quality over quantity. Instead of buying many cheap garments, consumers are choosing fewer but better pieces made from durable fabrics. Technology is also playing a significant role in shaping modern fabric trends. Advanced textile manufacturing allows the creation of innovative materials that combine comfort with performance. For example, moisture-wicking fabrics used in sportswear help keep the body dry during physical activity. Stretch fabrics provide flexibility and movement for active lifestyles. Temperature-regulating fabrics adjust to body heat, making clothing more comfortable in different weather conditions. These technological fabrics are becoming increasingly popular, especially among athletes and people who value practical fashion. Back at the market stall, Amara began noticing how customers reacted to different fabrics. Some people were drawn to bright colors, while others preferred soft, neutral tones. Some customers loved traditional patterns, while younger buyers often searched for modern designs. Her grandmother explained something important. Fashion is not only about what is trending, she said. It is about what makes people feel confident. This idea stayed with Amara. She realized that while global trends influence fashion, personal taste remains the most important factor. Another trending fashion concept today is the blending of cultures. Designers from different countries often mix fabrics from various traditions to create unique styles. For example, a dress might combine African Ankara fabric with a Western-style cut, or a modern jacket may feature traditional embroidery patterns from Asia or Europe. This blending of cultures creates fresh and exciting fashion ideas while celebrating the diversity of the world. Handmade fabrics are also gaining popularity. Many people appreciate the craftsmanship and effort behind handmade textiles. Techniques such as weaving, embroidery, crochet, and knitting add personality and uniqueness to clothing. Handmade fashion items often carry emotional value because they represent patience, skill, and creativity. A handmade garment tells a story that machine-made clothing cannot easily replicate. Crochet fashion, for example, has become extremely trendy in recent years. Crochet dresses, crochet bags, and crochet tops appear frequently in summer fashion collections. The handmade texture gives these pieces a charming and artistic look. Amara noticed that whenever her grandmother displayed handmade fabrics, customers would stop and admire them more carefully. They could sense the dedication that went into creating those pieces. Social media has also played a huge role in spreading fabric fashion trends across countries. Platforms allow designers, influencers, and fashion lovers to share their styles with millions of people instantly. A new fabric design introduced in one country can quickly inspire designers in another part of the world. This rapid exchange of ideas helps fashion evolve faster than ever before. Fashion influencers often demonstrate how to style different fabrics in creative ways. By combining fabrics with accessories, layering clothing, and experimenting with colors, they show people how to turn simple materials into stunning outfits. Despite the constant changes in fashion trends, one thing remains consistent. Fabrics are the foundation of every style. A well-designed outfit always begins with the right fabric choice. As months passed, Amara became more involved in the family business. She began helping customers choose fabrics and even started sketching clothing ideas. Her grandmother watched proudly as the young girl developed a deeper understanding of fashion. One day, a young designer visited the stall looking for inspiration. He carefully examined different fabrics and asked Amara for her opinion. She thought for a moment and then shared something her grandmother had taught her. The best fabric is the